In today's video, I'll show you how to edit appointment types in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to update your services, change pricing, adjust duration, or modify booking rules, this guide will help you do it quickly. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Appointment Types section from the left side menu. This is where all your services are created and managed. Now you'll see a list of your existing appointment types. Click on the one you want to edit. Inside the settings, you can update the appointment name, description, duration, and price depending on your needs. If you want to change how long the session lasts, adjust the duration field. If you want to change your service cost, update the pricing section. Next, scroll down to review scheduling rules like availability, buffer time, and booking limits. These settings control how and when clients can book your service. You can also adjust advanced options, such as intake forms, payment requirements, or confirmation messages if needed. Once you've made all your changes, click Save to apply the updates. Now your updated appointment type will immediately reflect on your booking page. Before finishing, preview your scheduling page and test a sample booking to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully edited appointment types in Acuity Scheduling and updated your services. And that's how you edit appointment types in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.